Good morning, champs. Let's solve the integral of x squared times natural log of x. This is a product, so integration by parts is a good choice. Quick reminder, integration by parts says the integral of u d2v equals u times v minus the integral of v du. A very useful rule is to choose the logarithm as u, because logarithms become simpler when we differentiate them. So let u equal natural log of x, and let d to v equal x squared dx. Now, differentiate u. The derivative of natural log x is 1 over x, so du is 1 over x dx. Now, integrate d to v. The integral of x squared is x cubed over 3. So v equals x cubed over 3. Now apply integration by parts. We get x cubed over 3 times natural log of x minus the integral of x cubed over 3 times 1 over x. Now simplify inside the integral. X cubed divided by x is x squared. So this becomes x cubed over 3 natural log of x minus 1/3 times the integral of x squared. So we get x cubed over 3 natural log of x minus 1/3 times x cubed over 3. That simplifies to x cubed over 3 natural log of x minus x cubed over 9 plus c. Quick takeaway. When you multiply a power of x by natural log of x, integration by parts is usually the right method.